Hi guys, this is another vlog. I didn't vlog yesterday because we didn't do anything really. We stayed around the campsite and stuff. Went for a meal, but that was about it, so I didn't vlog. Today is Wednesday, so yeah, and today it's kind of still wet and rainy, so we're going to go to Sand World, which is like this sculpture thing. I know you'll probably see photos, and probably like swimming and stuff like that, so I don't know. Well, yeah, we'll just see how it goes, how the vlog goes, and I'm just waiting in the car because the rest of my family are trying to look for my sister, and they walked off somewhere, which is really annoying, but okay. Anyway, hopefully we'll set off soon. It's getting heavier and heavier and heavier, the rain. Isn't it?
It's getting heavier.
And seriously, I think that's so annoying. Like, a long-ish car journey, half hour to get here, and then
A lie, really.
nothing here. Not even inside. There's just a couple of marquees. How much was it? 30 quid?
£7 each.
£7 each to get into the
So what's that?
sculpture thing. So
7.5.
16 sculptures, and it's not
£35.
even outside. Halfway through the day and we haven't decided what to do. Wow.
Rain,
I hate rain. This is so annoying, not knowing what we want to do.
That's the trouble, isn't it? The rain, the bugger all
Just
choosing.
like, they're all really expensive, and
Let's repaint them.
oh my god,
What
I
about ice
hate the
skating?
rain. What, in the rain? You took, yeah. Well, okay, so we decided on a place to go. We're going to the teddy bear museum. How embarrassing is that?
It's not embarrassing, it's cute.
Oh, yeah, but still, they're obsessed with them over in Dorset. Because they even have a teddy bear shop in Swanage. They're obsessed with them. And then we're gonna go, and then shut up, or we won't go swimming. And then we're going swimming after. God, it's so boring waiting in the car.
They'll probably had a malfunction or
Is
something.
she sitting in there eating it or something?
Sitting in Subway. Don't worry about it.
That's what it's from.
We have chip butties,
I think.
which was pretty.
I don't know.
It's a good idea, actually. Yep, here at the stupid teddy bear museum.
It's not a museum, it's a house.
Yeah, well, they call it a museum.
Yeah.
But still, we're still going to go swimming after, so, you know. And you can I don't get how a house can be a teddy bear museum. Oh my god! Okay.
Pretty big house.
There's a lot.
Yeah.
Look, is that a hedgehog? Is that a hedgehog? That's quite small.
Go sit my legs.
Sit on your arm.
I can't quite get it in. Ready? Go. Teddy bear.
Mama, what? Mama.
No, I am, yeah. Well, these are the most, like, famous. This is boring.
Which one?
Boring.
I thought it would be.
You're in the last bit now, that's it.
For 20 quid, oh my god. Back at the camp now. Because,
Don't see you.
did you like the teddy bear thing? It was pretty cute. I think we're going to go swimming again in a minute, so obviously I won't be able to vlog that. Because you can't take a phone into the pool. We might go in the indoor pool though, because it's like proper freezing outside, and it's so annoying. Like, when you're on holiday you want it to be nice and sunny and cheerful, but it's been rainy and everyone's been miserable. Oh dear. Oh well, we'll go swimming in a minute and then off to the supermarket to get a few things. I can honestly say the showers here are the worst, literally, that I've ever been in. They're so like hot, powerless. I hate them. They're always seeded.
Yeah, we'll get these, got less seeds, their own ones, and they're cheaper. So, these Selfie and stuff.
Funny how the busiest aisle is the chocolate aisle. Shouldn't eat them, but oh well, it's holiday. I never seem to vlog when we're eating. I always get too hungry and just eat it. But we had burgers and then chips from the takeaway shop and salad. It's freezing cold in here, so I'm snuggled up in my sleeping bag. So I didn't end the vlog last night because I got too tired and I went straight to bed. So I'm ending it now, obviously, and I will see you tomorrow with another one in the vlog.